Hi and welcome back. So in this video, I realized that I didn't tell you what exactly this means, and I was just assuming that you know this. Especially if you watched my intro to programming, there's a section where I spoke about this extensively. So what this one means is this is just the same as x is equals to x plus 1. So this is the same as x plus 1. So this will just increment this so that we can go to the next value of x. So that's what this is, x plus 1. So we could also have just said x plus 1. So if I run this, let me take this one back to 1. And then I run it. So it will be 1. So I did not give x. The new value of x is equals to x is equals to x plus 1. You see, now that works. So this is the same as x plus plus. So you see, this is way shorter to write than that. So that's why in most cases you'll find that this is the one that is used. And let's do an experiment without this. Let's say we remove that and let's make this a console.log. Before I do the console.log, let me just alert the value of x without the increment. So if we run this, if I run that, you see, nothing happened. It will just print the first value and forget about it. So we can do a console.log. And if we say console.log, and if you want to run console.log through Scratchpad, you can do it. You will just have to come here and do Control-Shift-K to bring out the console. So you can't do this using Firebug. You have to use the default debugger in Firefox. So this is like a bug. You see, there's nothing I can do about this right now. So if I come back here and let me pull it this side, and then if I run it, so you see it brings this error, and we can just say debug script. So if I say debug script, it will enable me to close the alert which we had here. So you can see this is essentially erroneous. It will bring errors for you. It will bring errors for you. And the way that you avoid those errors is by making sure that at least you have an increment or a decrement. So this essentially will bring a bug. So if you're having something like this, always make sure that you do have a way to go to the next one. Sometimes you also have x minus minus, which is the opposite of x plus plus, so it will decrement by 1. So in the next video, we're going to do a do while so that we can see the difference between a while loop and a do while loop. So just experiment with this. You can go online and find certain examples. Maybe you want to type something a certain number of times. Just try it out and see what you can do. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. So I'll see you in the next video.